Hi everyone! So guys, nagluto po ako guys ng shrimp. So yung shrimp ko guys, sinagay ko guys is butter, yung ginagamit ko. Yan yung butter. And ito yung aking shrimp, garlic, ginger, and onions. Yan yung aking onions. Pepper, salt, and first ilunod natin yung saute, garlic. Ang garlic natin ilunod. After lunod sa garlic, inunod ko guys yung yung luya, yung ginger, yung tinatawag natin. And then, sahin. Bango. Kasi bakit ginagamit ko? Bango-bango guys. And then, lagay ko yung yung ating onions. And then, after ilunod sa onions guys, ilunod po natin yung ating shrimp guys. Nagasan ko na yan guys. Ayoko yung tapos mamaya ilagay natin yung pepper and salt and a little bit chili, yung maanghang na lagyan na po ko ng maanghang na pepper. Yan lang guys, para masarap siya. Ayoko yung maraming ginagay. Yan, simple lang yan guys, so masarap. Yan. Tabunan ko yan. Tapos mamaya lagyan ko ng pepper, salt, and of course, ito yung ginagamit ko guys na paanghang. Ya? Chili yan. Puna ng kuan guys, yan yung paprika na green. Ito natawag natin green bell pepper. Yan. Para lalong sumarap. So yun na guys. Thank you for watching. Luto na siya.